Hello everyone, in this video we're going to do the Space Blaster set. So for the Space minifigures, you can have this miniature do-it-yourself blaster that you can put right on them. It's very simple to use. Just put it right on the minifigure like this, and you have this awesome blaster. And they can blast in space amazingly. Something like from the future, and they can even hold this with their hands all the way there. Well, anyway, attempt to. Regardless, this gives you the ability not only to blast vertical, horizontal as well, and from the top too. So this is kind of awesome. Look at this. It moves too. Very, very flexible. Well, too flexible, you might actually say. But this is easy. You can do this yourself. So let's get started. So what you have to do to create this is have all those little parts here. Now if you don't have some of those parts, you can still do this, but it's going to be a little bit harder. So the first thing you need is a piece that looks like this. It's going to attach to your minifigure. Next thing you need is something to attach the rest of it to it. It's going to be this piece right here. So we're going to be putting it right down. And then you need this piece, or something that looks like it. You can even have something that it goes just straight across. And then you just add this up to it, like this. After you add this up, you get two of those miniatures. And those are pretty hard to find. Add them up like here, right there. And those only come in new sets. Now, you really need those pieces to add to this. So add one right here. Whoopsies! And the second one right there. Now I like to use the red ones because it makes it look like fire is coming out. You can also use orange if you want to, but I'm not going to use orange for this one. So there we go. This was super fast and super easy. The hardest part is just finding the pieces for this blaster. So it is your turn to go about and try to find and create something like this, or even better. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.